Good morning and welcome to the Christmas vlog. I haven't vlogged in a couple of weeks. Oakley, I've been trying to do this clip. He's making the most craziest faces. I haven't vlogged in a couple of weeks, but it's Christmas week, so I thought I would film. We are gonna go donate some clothes and toys, and then I'm gonna get an eggnog chai because it sounds delicious and I haven't gotten that yet. So we're gonna do that. It's probably gonna be crazy out right now because it's Christmas week. It's literally 3 days before Christmas. And then, because Oakley's so sweet and donating his toys and clothes, he has his money there. Show him their money. Show him the money. We're gonna go to the dollar store and pick out a couple things. Would you stop making that creepy face? We're gonna go to the dollar store and get some things. So that's the plan. I thought I would film. I also need to get cinnamon rolls for Christmas morning. I wanna get cinnamon rolls because I do that every year. It's just a tradition. And we have the eggnog, we have the rum for Christmas morning, so we don't do mimosas, we do eggnog and rum. So let's go. Are you still doing it? Let's go to donate some clothes and toys first. I got an eggnog chai. It looks really good, but I haven't tried it yet. And Oakley got like this powdered crew nut. And now we're gonna go to the dollar store. Since it's Christmas week, we decided to stop at Crumble and get a little cookie, or a big cookie. So we got this one. Yeah. It has a reindeer on it. See? That's gonna be yummy, so we're all gonna share this at home. And now we're headed home. Oakley got, what'd you get from the dollar store?
Toys!
Toys! And something for Freya too, right?
Yes.
What'd you get for Freya? I don't remember. Let's see. Oh, a little horsey.
What's this?
That's the receipt. Let's see it. Show the other side. Flip it around so the camera can see. That's hay. That's what a horse eats. So Oakley got a horsey for Freya, and then he got a dinosaur and some froggies. Good morning. It's Christmas Eve. It is Elfie's last day here. And I never vlog on Christmas Eve, but I thought that I would. It's a big day. We have to make cookies. I'm making sourdough bread right now. I'll show you guys what my first loaf looks like. I also got a restock of my Snoozy stress-free gummies. So good. I'll link these down below. These are little stocking stuffers, which I have to bring these with me tonight because I'm going to give some to Megan and Brett. But let me show you my sourdough loaf. I can't believe it's Christmas Eve. I actually don't feel the best, but I'm hoping to feel better. We'll see. This is my first, are you serious? I'm not doing it over this time. This is my first sourdough loaf that I took out.
You can be anything you want.
It's a little bit more flat than I would want, but I think it still is gonna be really good. This is gonna be a gift, so. I have the other one in the oven right now. I think it looks really good. Just a little tiny bit more flat than usual. I have my winter candle burning because I burn this every Christmas, but I actually don't burn a lot of candles at all anymore. I usually use my candle warmer, but something nostalgic about just burning a candle around Christmas. And then this is the cookies for Santa plate. We have to make cookies. We've got the sprinkles. I'm impressed with my bread making skills. I feel like aside from it being a tiny bit more flat, it looks good. My second bread is looking even better. It looks like it rose a lot more. Christmas Eve morning. I gotta vacuum the rug. Get this place in order for tomorrow. My second loaf came out perfect. I mean, hopefully it's just as good on the inside. It's crunchy. Crunch test. This one's just so good. So I'm gonna give one to my neighbors and then one to my parents, and then I'm gonna make more this weekend, give another to my other neighbor, and then one for us, and then one for Scott's dad. So I'll be baking a lot this weekend, but just wanted to show you. And if you guys wanna message me on Instagram, I can help you with your starter or making your breads.
Guys, if you start kicking and hitting, it's gonna be big problems.
Uh-oh, we're in trouble. Okay, we're making cookies for Santa. We've got our sprinkles. What are you eating? Don't eat the dough. This one's raw dough. All right, so now, ooh, Freya. Do we put the sprinkles on before or after they cook? I think we could put them on now. We're gonna make some cookies and then...
I'm this kind not mine.
The white one?
Actually, that kind.
The sparkly white?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, Christmas Eve, this is my outfit of the night. This dress is from Oh Polly. This is Freya's outfit. We gotta do her hair.
Yeah.
And then this is Oakley's outfit. His sweater is so cute. Let me see your sweater. I got this last year from the Zara sale, which the Zara sale is Christmas night, if I'm not mistaken. But I always get Christmas sweaters on that night.
I'm princess.
Of course you're a princess. You are.
I'm pushing you away. Ha, ha,
Okay. But yeah, this is my outfit.
ha.
I got a bow in my hair.
Do you know this?
And it's tight and my back is hurting me, so we love it. Okay, we are gearing up to leave in a little bit. I've never filmed on Christmas Eve, I don't think. I'm pretty sure I haven't, but I haven't added bronzer today, so I feel like that's why I'm feeling a little bit off.
That's mine.
So let's find some bronzer. And you know why? Because where's my bronzer? Oh, here it is. All right, the new year, we're definitely gonna have to wash my brushes. Let's do this. I'm a little bit, oh, that was a lot. A little bit more shiny than I would want. We'll fix it. The kids are restless. Okay. And then I'm a tiny bit shiny, so we're just going to fix that with my Huda powder. Just right here. Why do you guys keep taking my stuff? All right, put it back, baby.
What is that?
Let me see, girl.
What is that? Shiny.
I love that. That's one of my favorites. Oh God. All right.
Hey, hey, hey. You look beautiful.
I do?
Oh, yes.
That's so nice,
honey.
You look so handsome.
Yep, you look beautiful too.
Honey, you're such a sweet boy. Oh, Freya's hugging you. You are so sweet. Come here. What a sweet boy. They're so nice to say. That's so nice. And you look so handsome. You're the most handsome boy I've ever known. Did you know that?
You are so big.
Who's small and big?
You are saucy and
Oh, what just dropped?
I hope this still works. I was
Should.
just saying
Okay. This is as good as it's getting.
Oh, no, you have to. Santa!
No.
Santa.
I love you, Santa!
What happened to have Santa?
I'll take this for you, Santa.
Oh, I got some presents for the good boys and girls.
What do I got, Santa?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, Jesus.
Why are they so big?
Hey,
That's awesome.
oh, we got some of them.
Come on. What? Okay, Freya, how about stockings first? Little monster. What's that? Oh, cards, Freya.
Open this.
We'll open it after. See what else is in there. What'd you get? Is that... Who's that? Is that Woody?
I got all of these for my stocking.
Really cool. This one's for Oakley. 2 Oakley from Santa. And this one, 2 Freya from Santa.
This famous.
What is that? What is it?
Sea animal.
You got sea animals from Santa?
Wanted it.
You did? What's that, Freya? Is that a puppy?
Alpha.
We'll open it after.
Dano.
What is it?
Dano.
That's from Mama and Dada. What is it? Dino eggs. Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
What do you say to Mama and Dada? You're welcome.
Baby.
The baby?
Does it come with a remote?
I think it does. It's a slithering snake. Ooh, Grandma's not gonna like that one. You have quite the pile.
I'm not going to open them right now.
You are, you're not.
Let me get these,
My baby. Hey, Freya has that.
Let me see.
See? Over the...
Oh, maybe it's a different one.
Oh.
I think they can come with different pets. What?
it.
What? Is that from Elfie? Leaving you the marshmallow? Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Hey, what is this? Right here.
Alfie.
Santa's magic.
Look it.
Did you drink some milk?
What?
We had to fill up milk last night because we forgot to before bed.
You forgot water.
Oh no, you're right. Veda told us. Veda told us.
Baby.
You love it?
My bear. My bear.
Oh. We have the cinnamon rolls. And my parents are about to be here. I think I'm gonna make the eggnog rum drinks for me and my dad. And then we have to go to my papa's, so it's early, but I've been up for 2 hours.
Oh,
Look
no.
at this. This is what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to build a log cabin.
Oh no, don't go next to a fire. Don't go close to a fire. You can say that for Mom. Ah, I'm on fire. Look at it. He's on fire.
Look, honey. This is how you build it. You build a log cabin.
Okay.
Oakley's building some log cabins. And we have these two sleeping. My outfit of the day. This is from White Fox Boutique. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with this. It's like the softest. And then I don't know where this skirt is. Probably White Fox Boutique too. I don't know. It's a mess in here. Oh, we're snoring. But aren't they the cutest? Oh. I don't think we have enough toys, honestly. That's a joke. We have way too much. This is why I wanted to donate, because I knew we were going to get an excessive amount of things and it already feels like too much. I already want to go donate. But look how cute this is. This little pink dresser. Freya got a Barbie beach house. Oakley got this. This looks super cool. You can take them apart with tools. Freya got some dollies. My mom always gets her these cute little dollies with the knit sweaters. Adorable. More Barbies. I'm not gonna film a separate video for like what I got for Christmas, so I'm just gonna show you guys quickly what I got. I didn't really want anything or ask for anything or need anything, but I'll show you what I got. I got a Rhode blush, which I haven't even opened this yet. So I'll show you guys. I got it in Toasted Teddy, I think it's called. And then I got Peppermint Cashmere. I smelled this in Target and I was like, ooh, I really like this. So I got that. I got Santa's Milk and Cookies. This packaging is the cutest. I got this candle from my mom, Christmas Cookies, which I almost got this. I love this one as well. I got all things that smell really good. I got Caramel Skin from Scott. Love this. This is a very like delicious scent. Sorry if you can hear snoring. This is a very delicious scent. I also have Rare Beauty. I haven't even smelled this until today, but this smells amazing. I'm so glad that I got this. Really, really like this perfume. I feel like I need the full size now. I got Precisely My Brow. I've been out of my brow pencil for so long in the shade 2.5. I've been using an eyeshadow and I'm so happy to have this back in my life. I have a ton of chocolate. I'm not even going to show you guys all that. I have gift cards, which I'm excited to go out to eat and like splurge and treat myself. We got socks and like bags of candy. Like I feel like every time the end of the year comes, I'm like, oh, I need to get in really good shape for the next year. And then I get a lot of chocolate, so not good. We're building Lincoln Logs over here. I've actually never played with these. Oh, good catch. I've never played with these, but kind of fun, right?
Yep.
Look at how cool and creepy this gift is. They're all bugs and they're real bugs. Isn't that cool? They're like in ice cubes.
That they're impassive.
No, they definitely are real, but they're like they're not alive. But look at how creepy this is. I would actually, which one? Is this a spider? Even a spider this size, I would actually die if this was on me. Ugh, creepy. I got the cutest hats for the kids. Look at this little crochet hat for Freya. And then this Christmas tree for Oakley. How fun are these? This is all the extra like chocolate and pistachios that we got. I'm probably gonna fill up one of my cookie jars with Hershey Kisses. Okay, it's football Sunday, a couple days later. I'm about to eat some peanut M&Ms. I swear on the 1st, we're gonna get it together, but I do wanna finish these up. And then I got this book. A couple of you recommended some books, and this was one of them, The 7-Year Slip. So I'm going to be reading this, editing my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry I didn't do VLOGCEMBER all month, but I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.